Okay, we just checked out from the room. That's the place where we stayed. You see that pink building? That's where we stayed. So we're actually going to Manoj's relative's home. Alright, so his relative's home is about 35 or 40 kilometers from here, I believe. It's been raining non-stop for 2 days. I mean, it's good and all, but give us a break. It's too much, okay? I know, I asked for rain and yeah, this is what I get. But then Koppa. I think we are in Koppa. Today is the actual day 4, but then I'm not gonna be riding anywhere today. It's gonna be a chill day. Just gonna, take some rest, take a break actually, because we've been continuously riding for so long. So I'm actually gonna be continuing this video tomorrow. Okay? I've been having a lot of fun since the moment I got into Chikmagaluru, because it's full on guard section, curves, twisties. I mean, all three are the same, but yeah, the weather, it's just so nice, feels so good. The only kind of irritating part is that it rains most of the time. My shoes are completely wet since 2 days, so yeah, I mean, I don't care, to be honest with you. The reason why we are doing this ride is for monsoon, so I can't be complaining, yeah? Okay, I like this.
You ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು.
We're having such a beautiful place. So finally we got the chance to, dry all the gears after 3 days. Staying the first floor actually. It's a very small home, but it's very comfortable and I like it here. It's nice. It's got that old nostalgic authentic kind of vibes. Look at that. It's very cold in here. Tumba chali bro. Okay, I'll see you guys down there. On to the rain. Okay, oh my god, it's so slippery. Alright, we are actually heading to Metkalgudde Temple. Gudde, I don't know. Gudde Temple, I believe. It's about 80 kilometers from here. I think it's somewhere close to Siddhapura, closer to Kundapura. I mean, it's somewhere around Kundapura, but kind of far from Kundapura. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, you guys get the point. And by the way, I forgot to tell you something. Samarth is not with us. The Duke 390, he's gone to Bangalore. Because yeah, that's how the original plan was. He was supposed to stay only for about 3 days. Wow, bete, wow. Look at this. He's holding an umbrella with one hand. I mean, it would at least make sense if someone's holding the umbrella behind you. But then this is pure dumbness. Wow, that smells so good. It's coffee. I feel like having a coffee right now. Okay, so I just found out the name of the temple that we're going. It's called as Metkalgudde Mahaganapathi Temple. So that's a peahen. I saw a couple of them yesterday. Oh yeah, you guys see those cows, right? So while I was on my Goa ride, that is Bangalore to Goa day, I came across these cows. These cows are very small, you know, compared to what we have in Bangalore. And I think I spotted them once we reached Honnavar. And I was wondering, why is it like that? A lot of people commented on the video saying it's called as Malnadu Gidda. That makes a lot of sense now, because yeah, I didn't know that. But they're cute though, right? Oh my god, look at that. That mountain is completely covered with fog. It must be beautiful in the place we're heading to. Oh my god. Wait, I need to stop. Oh, that looks cool. The silence. That's what I like. Wow. Whoa. What happened over here? ಓ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ Okay, finally it's done after a solid 20 minutes, I believe. I think we have another 17 kilometers to go. Can't really see the road at the moment. Look at that. It's the concrete road again. I have to be really careful on this. I don't really like this, man. I don't know why. I prefer tar. Oh my god, we have hairpin bends. Okay, we can't really find the temple, the route to the temple. Okay, finally found the route to that temple over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the temple. Oh my god, it's way up there. So far so good. It was tar road in the beginning, and then now it's concrete, and then now it's off-road. ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ ಇದೆ. It doesn't look that bad. Okay, it's not that bad, at least for now. ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹುಷಾರು. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆನಾ? ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆನಾ? ಹಾಂ. Can do it. Yes. can just make it out from his face that he's so damn scared. Okay, we're already here. That's all. Easy clap then. Well, that was easy. Huh? लोग ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ. Okay, let me check if our bikes can go there. It should probably go. Okay, let me just climb here. Beautiful. Yeah, it's worth it for sure. Yeah. Okay, we didn't go to the temple because we'll have to remove the shoes and everything, so not in a mood for that, but I prayed to the God. Yeah. Okay, we're almost at the beginning. That was a cool place, bro. Like, honestly, that was nice. I really liked it. I believe this is how we need to go. So we are going to Kundadri Betta and then from there back to his home. Alright, so right now we're going back home. The time right now is 4 p.m. So we just came to Kundadri Betta and that's closed. I guess I'll see you guys on day 5. So I hope you enjoyed. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.